शक्ति हमें दो, दया निधे कर्तव्य मार्ग पर डट जाएं। हर सेवा हर उपकार में हम निज जीवन सफल बना जाएं। वो शक्ति हमें दो। हम दीन दुखी निबलों अबलों के प्रभु, सेवक बन संताप हरें। जो हैं भूले भटके अटके, उनको तारें खुद तर जाएं। वो शक्ति हमें दो, दया निधे कर्तव्य मार्ग पर डट जाएं। हर सेवा हर उपकार में हम निज जीवन सफल बना जाएं। वो शक्ति हमें दो। ऊपर का कि नीचे का? ओह, इट इज डन। मुद्रा मेताम तो संप्राप्य गुरुवक्त्रात् सुशोभिताम, अनेन विधिना योगी मंद भाग्योपि सिद्ध्यति। Every one of us is having a different IQ, you know, different IQ. So, if this mudra is learnt from the Guru Vaktrat, from Guru Mukh से अगर सीखा, from the mouth of the Guru, then अनेन विधिना योगी मंद भाग्योपि सिद्ध्यति. So, the person who is having this is a mediocre type of sadhaka can also be accomplished.
This bhagya can be equated with quotient?
This हर व्यक्ति का अगर IQ भी अच्छा बुरा तो
IQ में जो Q है ना,
हाँ,
वो it can be equated with this?
यस दैट जी कर सकते हैं आप, क्योंकि उसके अनुसार ही तो ये है ना तीव्रता मीडियोकर होना या अति तीव्र होना। तीव्र संवेगा, जो बहुत तीव्र हैं वो जल्दी जाते हैं उस दिशा में, जो थोड़े मीडियोकर हैं मेरे जैसे वो जरा देरी से चलते हैं। सर्वासामेव नारीणाम चारणम बिंदु धारणम जारणन्तु कषायस्य पातकानां विनाशनम। सर्वासामेव नारीणाम चारणम, all nadis will be activated. Bindu dharanam will have this, what you call, the ability to retain this nectar. Kshayasya tu jaranam, kshaya stands for the impurities. This will be, and patakanam, all kinds of demeritorious aspects will be destroyed. That is what it says. Yes. जारणम, जल चलो, जारणन्तु, जारण नहीं, जारणम तु, so ma turns into no, जारणन्तु, no. No, jaran means it destroys. Jaran, nashyantu, jayantu means nashyantu, jaranam is nashanam. in other words. And these people who were practitioners were not very well versed in Sanskrit grammar, you know. They were not very well. Okay, so whatever they have experienced, they have tried in their own language. Just you forgive them for using these words,
That is why we say that for Vedas, grammar will not apply, our Panini grammar. They have their own pre.
But this Vedas have their own its own grammar. But Panini grammar is grammar, cannot be challenged. It is based only on the 14 sutras. Can you, Rick, can you just say the 14 sutras? Maheshwara Sutrani. But just to
Chant anyone or two.
स्वर और व्यंजन बोलते हैं आ से औ तक औ.
it is all Panini grammar is inbuilt within these 14 sutras. And it is so logical. Would you like to have some impression?
After lunch I will see that.
Yeah, you talk with him.
That's all.
Because there is now this rule will be Akaha, there is now rule. If you know this Ayun Lil Kayung Ayo Chayabarat Yam Ganalam, that is what they are talking about. These 14 sutras only. Now sutra says whether it is Dirgha or whether it is whatever it is. Akaha Swarane Dirgha. What is this? Dirgha. Now all this is to be applied. Ayun Lilrik, this 14 sutra, if you have this is the only, rest of the thing are only the applications. Am I right? If you know this, it is so logical that this kind of logic is even not available in Nyaya Shastra, which is said to be Nyaya philosophy, logic philosophy, But this is so logical. एकदम मैथमेटिकल जिसको बोलते हैं ना, मैथमेटिकल है वो.
But these 14 sutras have 1000-page Bhashya.
Yes, thousands and thousands. You know, I think.
No, I don't know anything. CIF has published one book for this Panini Sutra.
There are so many. And these people, they know how to apply.
Excellent.
How to apply these sutras.
So
Because
you are
it's,
confused about that Jaran.
yeah. Because वो अक्षय मात्र का वो क्या कहते हैं उसमें आंख में कुछ चला जाता है ना, तो थोड़ा सा किरकिरी पैदा करता है. तो ये दिस पीपल आर हैविंग दिस लॉजिक इन माइंड, देयरफॉर उनको किरकिरी हो रही थी. Everything is not to be understood because otherwise it will be overflowing, It is just we are gossiping about the 14 sutra of Panini. Panini grammar. You know Panini grammar? Sanskrit grammar. Sanskrit. Yeah. Means what we are talking, it is a logic. Only on the 14 sutras. Yes. So this, if something goes in the eyes, it gives you irritation, You are irritated if something goes in the eyes. These people, they are knowing the basis of this grammar. So if something goes wrong, it goes like, so that irritates them,
But irritation comes from Jharana?
No, if something goes in the eyes.
I know, but now the discussion is not.
Yeah, Jaran.
no?
Yes.
Yes. And then I want to know, finally, after the discussion, what means Jharana?
Jarna means it destroys.
But it's not Vinacha?
But
Vinachana?
Binash is also the same.
Destruction.
See, different. Tasa chalanam, it is activation, okay, of nadis. Now bindu dharanam, you will be able to retain. Now kashayasya jaranam, all impurities will be destroyed, means eliminated, okay. And then patkanam, patak stands for the papa, for the sins. You can understand. This sin term cannot give the proper connotation of the papa, because we have a definite connotation of the term papa. This sin is having a different connotation. This term sin has come from the Christianity, so different connotations, but we are translating it. We do not have other words. It is a different connotation. Is it okay now? If something goes, what I was talking, these people know the Sanskrit grammar, and it is not up to the mark. Jaranantu, it is not up to the mark, because as per the sutras, as per this Paniniya grammar, therefore they are objecting. It as if something goes in their eyes, and it irritates. So this jaran is irritating them. Okay. आगे चले. कुंडली तापनम वायोर ब्रह्मरंध्र प्रवेशनम. कुंडली तापनम. Tapanam is the activation, in other words. Vayo brahmarandhar praveshanam. Now that vayu, that prana, which is revolving at the perineum part, it courses into Brahma Randhra in the. This is all in Sushumna Nadi, you may say something. Actually, Brahmarandhar is nasopharyngeal cavity. This is, this, if you see the newborn baby, this is a particular area, and it is connected with the nasopharyngeal cavity. That is Brahmarandhar. So Brahma is the dwar, okay. So Praveshanam, it enters into the Brahmarandhra. That is what it can be said. Sarva Rogopshamanam. All kinds of these problems will be subsided. Jatragani Vivardhanam, it ignite the, what you call the Jatragani, your gastric fire.
Ragnam is dwar.
Ji dwar. Vapusha Kanti, what happens if it happens? Then this body become ojasvi, Vapusha Kanti. Kanti means it is shining. Amalaha, pure. Jara Mrityu Vinashanam. Vanchitartha Phalam Saukyam Indranancha Maranam. Vapusha Amalaha, the body becomes pure, from the inside, not outside. But outside, Kanti. Because of the purity, this purity is reflected in the form of luster, kind of luster, Jara Mrityu Vinashanam. Jara means Bodhapa, it is old age, and Mrityu Vinashanam Bhavet. Vanchitartha Phalam, whatever the fruit you want, whatever the result you want, that will be obtainable. Saukyam, every kind of this Saukyam, it can be equated with the Shanti, not with the Sampatti. But here we have translated with regard to the Sampatti. You can Indriyana Maranam. You will be able to develop that control over the Indriyas. Sampatti or Indriyon par niyantran. Sampatti, Saukyam is not related to the. Saukya is that mind, that is a state of mind actually. That state of mind. Sampatti करके उसको क्या करना है फिर उसके बाद? हेतुदुक्तानि सर्वाणि योगारूढ़स्य योगिना. Yogarudha, the one who he has opted this path of yoga, the practitioner of yoga, etaduktani sarvani abhyasta avashyam. When he practices, all that whatever is said, it happens. Tatra vicharana karya. there's no doubt about it. We should not think in that line. It happens. That's what it says. गोपनीया प्रयत्नेन मुद्रेयं सुरपूजिते याम तु प्राप्य भवाम्बोधे पारम गच्छन्ति योगिनः. सुरपूजिते, again it is a संबोधन to Parvati. Yam mudra prayatnen gopaniya, it should be kept secret. Yam prapya, if the someone gets mastery over it, bhavam ambode param gacchati, one can overcome this bhav sagar, you know. Mudra kam dugda hi esha, means kam dugda, kamadhenu, you can say. Whatever you want it can give you. Whenever you want it can give you. So that is kam dugda. Sadhakanam ayodhita, it is said by me. It is for the sadhaka, maya udita esha mudra. Whatever is said by me about this mudra, sadhakanam kam dudha, it gives everything to the sadhakas. Guptacharyan kartabhya, but it is to be practiced secretly. Jasya kasya chitna deya, it should not be given to someone. Or if you give it to adhikari, then only it is fruitful. Now this is completed, Mahamudra. So what is the description of Mahamudra? We have to just remember this once. In the beginning, this is a very good practice. Every one of us can practice it. First, in the beginning, we have to, this heel, left heel should be kept. Where it is to be kept? At the Sivani, at the Yonisthan, tightly. And then other leg should be straight. Then you have to catch hold your feet, पानी, this. अगर हाथ नहीं पहुंचते हैं वहाँ तक तो थाई, पहुंचते हैं तो जरूर वहाँ तक जाना और उसको पकड़ करके इधर से आपका जलंधर मूल बंद है ही और उधर जलंधर बंद भी हो जाता है, 9 द्वार बंद हो जाते हैं और आपको पोस्टीरियर स्ट्रेचिंग होता है, वो जो प्राण रिवॉल्व कर रहा होता है वो इरिटेट होता है. दैट इज व्हाट इज द पर्पस बिहाइंड. तो ये जितने श्वास प्रश्वास आपने इसमें किए हैं उतने ही श्वास प्रश्वास फिर इस एड़ी को वहाँ लगा करके उस दूसरे पैर को सीधा करके उसे प्रैक्टिस करना चाहिए. सो और ये फिर हर प्रकार के जो वट एवर यू वांट दैट कैन बी. So first in the beginning with the help of the left heel you have to keep this at the Yonistan, then the other one. But some, it should be, abhyas should be some. If you are 10 times you are inhaling, exhaling, it should be done 10 times. Okay? Equal. Now coming to Mahabandha. Tata prasarita padav. It is whatever the leg you have kept straight. Now it is a continuous. It is a continuous. This Mahabandha, Mahabed. These three simultaneously are to be practiced. But in the beginning, we have to train ourselves. For the training, we have to do this, both the legs. Now, tataha prasarita pado vinyasya tamupri gud yonim samakunchi kritva chapan urdhukam. Now, it has been discussed with you that the tendency of the apan is to go downward, isn't it? And pran upward. So, with the help of this Moolabandha, we are changing the flow of this apana upward. So, tataha, during the practice of Mahamudra, pada prasarita, whatever the leg, straight leg is, tam upri, you have to keep tam upri. What you have to keep? Gud yonim vinyasya gud yonim tadupari. Now, padah prasarita tam uru upari. Uru means this janga. इसके ऊपर विन्यस्य गुद योनिम समाकुंच अपानम च ऊर्ध्वगम कृत्वा. ऊरु उपरि विन्यस्य पाद प्रसारिता ऊरु उपरि विन्यस्य. Now this pad is like something like this. You have kept under the this. Now this pad should be kept on the uru. This uru, you know, this is tam upari vinyasya gudayoni samakunchya. Gudayoni samakunchya, again this is a moolbandha. Then apanancha urdugam kritva. So you have to force this apana towards up, and thereafter jojitva samanena. Now it is to be mixed with the samana which is residing at the navel region. So you have taken the apan upward up to the navel region where saman is residing. It should be mixed with the saman vayu. That is what it says. Kritva prana adhomukham. Now with the help of Jalendra Bandha you have forced the prana downwards. Isn't it? Bandet urdu gatyartham. Adhomukham bandet urdu gatyartham means the urdu gati with a view to make it upward. Urdu gatyartham, to make it upward. Aprana panen yasudhi. Now once again with the help of this anvay, samanen jojitva pranam adhomukham kritva yasudhi prana panen urdu gatyartham bandyat. Now here, so with the help of saman prana, we have to mix the aprana, not the apan. Here something is wrong. So prana adhomukham, prana adhomukh can be done only with the help of Jalendra Bandha. You can, because its tendency is upward. So when you put Jalendra Bandha, you are forcing it to go down. This is to be mixed with the saman prana which is residing at the navel region. Samanena jojitva pranam adhomukham kritva. Here विधि पीछे वाला जरा लेना एक बार. मुद्रा अभ्यासे या प्रसारिता, whatever the leg which is straightened, tam uru upari vinyasya gudyonim samakuncha apanam cha urdugam kritva. Now here two things are, because we were mistaking this. Apan is to be taken up and it should be mixed with the saman. And then the second step is that pran is to be taken down with the help of this Jalendra Bandha. It should also be mixed with apan. This saman, apan and pran will be mixed here. That is what it says in the next. Now, pranam adhomukham kritva yasudhi prana panen urdu gatyartham bandyet. So, with a view to take the prana panena, with this process urdu gatyartham bandyet, for the sake of upward movement we have to use this bandha. Which one? Mool bandha and the Jalendra bandha. Kathito ayam mahabandha siddhi marga pradayaka. This whatever is said, mahabandha, this marga, siddhi marga, it gives perfection, the path of perfection. Nadi jalat rasabhyuho murdanam jati yogina. Nadi jalat, from the nadis, this some kind of rasabhyuha, it is a kind of juice is secreted, which murdanam jati, automatically with the help of this abhyasa, it goes up to the murdha, goes upward. Uvabhyam sadhyet padbhyam ekekam suparyatanata. Like, pardon? It is a kind of juice which is being secreted from the nadis, because this pran, when it is flowing through this what you call the paths, therefore this is said to be the subtle energy channels, and whenever this is flowing, so certain kind of juices are also flowing along with this. So that juices goes up to the मूर्धानम. उभाभ्याम साधेत पदभ्याम एकैकम सुप्रयत्नता. So one by one. बोथ दी लेग्स नहीं, एक एक करके ही करना है. भवेद अभ्यासतो वायु सुषुम्ना मध्य संगता. उभाभ्याम पदभ्याम एकैकम सुप्रयत्नता साधित. As sometime with the left leg, other time with the right side. So prayatanta abhyasata vayu sushumna madhya sangata bhavet. It gets that along with the sushumna nadi, it flows, this pran flows through the sushumna nadi. Sushumna nadi sangatam, it goes, it courses through this sushumna nadi. अनेन वपुषा पुष्टि दृढ़बंधो अस्थि पंजरे. योर अस्थि पंजर स्ट्रेचर, it becomes sudhrid, strength. And vapusha pushti, it is healthy. Vapusha, the pushti is a nourishment, but vapusha pushti, it is a healthiness of them. It is not applicable to this. So अनेन वपुषा पुष्टि अस्थि पंजरे दृढ़बंधः योगी संपूर्ण हृदय एतानि योगिना बंध. संपूर्ण हृदय means how to interpret it. संपूर्ण हृदय, it is a kind of, now it is I am totally satisfied with something, you know. Not half hriday, it is full hriday, totally satisfied. That is Sampurna Hridaya. So, अनेन वपुषा पुष्टि अस्थि पंजरे दृढ़बंधा संपूर्ण हृदय योगी भवन्ति. एतानि योगिना भवन्ति. This, all these effects happens only to the people who are the practitioner, not for others. बंधेन अनेन योगिंद्रा साध्येत सर्व ईप्सितम. Bandhen anen is through this Mahabandha, Yogindra, the best yogi, what it is sadhyet? Prana pranyo rekyam kritva. When pran and apan, they merge together, they become one. Then ekam kritva, Yogindra sarvam ipsitam sadhyet. Where is sadhyet? Sadhyet sarvam ipsitam. So sarvam ipsitam sadhyet. When this pran and pran become one, everything, whatever he wants, he can achieve that. Sarvam ipsitam. Now, Mahabed, this three, this is very, very important. Mahabandha sthito yogi. Now, in that state of Mahabandha, Kukshim apurya vayuna. Now, full, you have to inhale. Swichau santarye dhiman vedho ayam kirtita maya. Mahabandha sthita dhiman yogi, dhiman, who is having that kind of intellect, you know, wise yogi, Vayuna Kukshim apurya. Now, you have to fill the stomach with the air. Swicho santariyet. You have to take the help of your this and you have to अपने बटक्स को पटकना है पृथ्वी पर. दिस इज संताड़ियत. ये करना है. इससे वो आपका कंध पीड़न होगा. नहीं, आप तो जानते हैं. हाँ, जानते हैं ना आप तो. अच्छा होगा वैसे, लोगों को पता चलेगा, दिखाएंगे तो इट विल बी टू गुड. बहुत ही अच्छा है. वही ले लेना, ये बोला अच्छा रहेगा. हाँ जी.
नीचे रहेगा और ये ताड़न होगा।
एक्चुअली
ये हमने
यहाँ
सीखा है नहीं।
नहीं, वो ये सुविधाजनक है
हाँ,
ताड़न करने के लिए,
हाँ।
लेकिन इसके अनुसार वो उठाना ही है पूरा।
उठाना है और जिसको नहीं होता है वो
जिसको नहीं होता, जिसको नहीं होता है,
रखेगा और ये
जिसको नहीं होता है वो घुटना नीचे रख के ऐसे करेगा। परंतु
ताड़न करेगा।
परंतु ट्रेडिशन ये कहता है कि दोनों को उठा के मारना नीचे हाथ के सहारे।
Can we use please?
Pardon? This is a technique, not meaning.
No, but you explain in Hindi, no?
No, this is
प्रैक्टिकल।
Explain something in Hindi about this practice.
no, my dear.
I listen, no?
That he said that those who are unable to raise his body with the help of his hands, he can take the help of little bit about this knees. See, do it well. See, so this knee. Now, yes, with the help of this knee.
That is according to a tradition maintained.
This is also one of the tradition of Ambika Kutir. It is a easy. You while doing this slowly, you will be able to this one.
That they also.
Yeah, to reach to this final stage, in the beginning you have to do it. Okay, they मेरी माँ
ये फर्स्ट ऐसा है महामंत्र जैसे।
yes. So नहीं ये this is महाबंध। जब when you keep this on the uru, you know, नहीं हाँ, या उस पे रखिए तो इस पे, हाँ रखिए ना उस पे, और पैर पकड़ने की कोशिश कीजिए। दिस इज महाबंध, यू नो, व्हेन यू पुट दिस महामुद्रा, महाबंध, महामुद्रा, महाबंध और महावेद, ऑल थ्री टुगेदर अल्टीमेटली देन यू हैव। अब पूरी है तो उदरम, ये जो कह रहा मामन सितो योगी कुक्षी महापूर्य वायुना, यू हैव टू फिल द स्टमक, बट along with the mool, this what you call this Jalandhar Bandha, you have to santariyat.
But the,
Situate santariyat.
in this Mahamudra, the knee is not touching the.
That is Mahabandha. It becomes Mahabandha.
But it's not touching the knee. It's straight, very straight the back, like this.
Yeah, in Mahamudra. You are very correct.
Yes.
Yes, in Mahamudra.
मुद्रा
Mahabandha and Mahaved.
महावेद।
These all three together. Now let me complete this. आगे बढ़ो जरा। वेदेन अनेन संविद्य वायुना योगी पुंगवा ग्रंथिम सुषुम्ना मार्गेण ब्रह्म ग्रंथिम भिन्नत्यसौ. Now even actually speaking, without this Jyotsna commentary, are you aware of this Jyotsna commentary? We have published it. A critical edition of Jyotsna commentary. It is published by Kaivalya, and I was there in this. Only this commentary says about these three Granthis. But if you talk in terms of this Hatapradipika, they talk about these Granthis, but they do not say where these Granthis are. But this commentary is only Hatapradipika. If you are interested to understand this Hatapradipika, my humble suggestion to all of you is that you must go through the Jyotsna commentary. This commentary is written by Brahmananda, and it is in near Sangli, you know, this sthan where he, with the help of Meru Shastri, there was a one person whose name was Meru Shastri. As I was talking, Brahmananda was not knowing much about Sanskrit language, so with the help of this Meru Shastri, he has written this commentary on Hatapradipika. Hatapradipika, it seems very simple, you know, when you go through, but it is very difficult to understand without the help of this Jyotsna commentary. So my humble suggestion to all of you is, most of the practices, they are explained, interpreted by Brahmanand ji. Say for example, Mool Bandha, he says, if you practice Mool Bandha wrongly, you will become a victim of this constipation. और विष्ठा कैसी हो जाती है आदमी की, जैसे बकरी की विष्ठा होती है, जब वो बकरी की विष्ठा जैसा अगर ऐसी संभावना बन जाए स्टूल की, तो यूँ समझना कि आपका मूलबंध जो है वो रॉन्ग प्रैक्टिस हो रहा है। उसको दूर करने के लिए उन्होंने उपाय भी बताया कैसा करना है, हाउ टू डू इट। ही हैज़ ऑल्सो गिवन अस द मेथड। से फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ब्रह्मानंद सेज you should not, you may inhale through the mouth but never exhale through the mouth. क्यों भाई you should not exhale through the mouth? In doing, yesterday you saw that he, when he was performing this Udyan Bandha, something like this, and most of the people they are doing like this. Brahmananda says this is to be avoided. It should be exhaled only through the nostril. By balhani prasangat. Sometime there is you may lose the strength, and you will not be able to do it. So with balhani prasangat, it should be exhaled only through the nostril. You may inhale through the mouth, because in Shitali pranayam, in Shitkari pranayam, or there are various practices through which you inhale through the mouth, but exhalation never be done through the mouth. It should be done only through the nostril. Balhani prasangat. That is what. So it is a very, very important commentary. We have critically 13 manuscript we have, or 16 manuscripts were taken while making the critical edition. So we have published a critical edition. Basically I was working in this, both in Hindi, English both. Just जैसे आपको ये दिख रहा है, whatever I have brought up Hindi as well as the English. But sometime after doing this, sometime जैसे आज मैं इस मत से सहमत नहीं हूँ कि उसको संपत्ति मिल जाती है, लेकिन उस समय वो किया है हमने, तो जैसे जैसे वो आदमी का अनुभव बढ़ता है, वो इंटरप्रिटेशन भी बढ़ जाती, भिन्न होती चली जाती है। तो ऐसा वो संपत्ति नहीं, वो सौख्यम मीन्स इट इज नॉट संपत्ति,
दैवी संपत्ति।
it is a, you can call it Devi Sampatti.
And Balahana Prana.
Balhana, you may lose the strength, you may lose the strength. Therefore, we should not exhale through the mouth. Always, that is what Brahmananda says in his commentary. You are having the copy of this book with you. I know. This Jyotsna commentary on Heart Pradip. No, you have purchased from the Lonavala. You see your library. You have. Yes, you have purchased this book. Yes, you remember. Yeah, it is in your library. You just go and see. माया मान भी जाया कर मेरी माँ का। वेदेन अनेन संविद्य वायुना योगी पुंगवः ग्रंथिम सुषुम्ना मार्गेण. So I was talking about this Brahma Granthi, Vishnu Granthi and Rudra Granthi. So this description only available in Jyotsna commentary. So asau yogi pungavaha anena vedena vayuna granthim samvidya. Through the help of that vayu, which vayu? Which is coursing now through the Sushumna Nadi, that vayu. Samvidya, preaching Sushumna Margena Brahm Granthim Bhinati. Now, Sushumna Margena, this Brahm Granthi is at the heart level. It preaches this Granthi also, this knot. Ya Kroti Sadabhyasam Mahavedam Sugopitam. Again, it is a secret abhyas. One who does this practice of Mahaveda, Vayu Siddhi Bhavetasya Jara Marana Nashini. Jara Marana Nashini Vayu Siddhi. Jara Marana Nashini, Jara, Budhapa, old age. This is one understand. Vayu Siddhi, accomplishment of this Vayu. Chakra Madhya Sthita Deva. You know there are different deities on the each. In the Mooladhara there is a Ganesha, isn't it? So likewise. So Chakra Madhya Sthita Devaha Kampanti Vayu Tarnat. When Sicho Bhumo Santadiyet, that is what you were doing. So in the chakras, all devtas, they are there is a tremor, inside. Vayu Chakra Madhya Sthita Deva, all the deities which are residing on the chakras, Vayu Tarnath Kampanti. When you do this, there is a tremor. Sa Mahamaya Kundali Api Kailashe Viliyate. Then that Kundalini, now after preaching this Brahm Granthi, now he is not talking about the Vishnu Granthi or the Rudra Granthi, but directly talking about the Kailash. Kailash here stands for the Sahasrara Chakra. So the Viliyate, it merges with the Shiva. Kailashe, who is residing in Kailash? Lord Shiva. Have you seen the Mansarovar? Any one of you? I wanted to go there, but now we can go, I think. आप में से कोई गया है क्या? तो कोई प्लान करो ना, ऐसे इकट्ठे जाके आए सब. अगर कुछ हुआ भी तो इकट्ठे जाएंगे ना साथ. वहाँ भी चर्चा चलती है. So we all together, Okay. So Sa Mahamaya Kundali Api Kailashe Viliyate, it merges with the Shiva at the Sahasrara Chakra. Mahamudra Mahabandho Nishphalau Veda Varjito. If you practice this Mahamudra and Mahabandh without Veda, your practice is fruitless. Nishphal. Tasmat yogi prayatnena karoti tretam kramat. So all these three should be performed sequentially. As in the beginning he did this Mahamudra, then Mahabandh, then Mahaved. All three together. Is it okay now? So you are reminding my mother, time and again. Pardon? नहीं, बट ही सेज, हाँ नहीं, ऐसा क्लेम नहीं करना हमने. ये जो बीमारी है ना, ये किसी को भी हो सकती है. वो तो बोल रहा है कंपन शुरू होता है अंदर में, बाहर नहीं. अंदर कंपन शुरू होता है, यानी वो देवी देवता हिल जाते हैं चक्रों में बैठे हुए. ऐसा कह रहा है वो. इधर जाइए जरा पीछे वाले बस देख लीजिए. चक्र मध्य स्थिता देवा कंपंती वायु ताड़नाथ. कंपन होता है, यानी उनका सिंहासन डोल रहा है. जब आप तप करते हैं तो शंकर जी का सिंहासन डोलना, बोले तो वो ऐसा होना नहीं है. वो ऐसा होना नहीं है. कंपन यहाँ पर ऐसा
नहीं अपना जो होता है
हाँ
वो कम होता है.
अच्छा, वो हाँ वो कुंडली हाँ नहीं, ये जो अंगमेजत्व है ना, when the inner disturbances are prolonged for a long period of time, you develop a different kind of problems. So this angamejyatva, this tremor in the body limbs, that it is there are different kind different kind of problems, this problem. So what it is only because of the inner disturbances. If you are stressed, okay, distress, not eustress, when you are distressed, and if you remain in the same state for a few days or a few months, then automatically this problem will start. Okay, automatically the tremor in the body limbs, it comes. So it can be overcome, as he says, if you practice this three bandha sequentially, Mahamudra, Mahabandha, along with Mahaveda. If you do this, then you will be able to overcome this kind of problem.
Then means settle the energy.
Yeah, energy will be stable, and when energy is stable, where it goes directly to Kailash. Have you seen Kailash Parvat?
No, I didn't
So here Himalaya is here.
see.
Yeah, that is Sahasrar Chakra.
I didn't see inside and outside.
Hmm. But you should have this. Sometime you may see in the dream, sometime. Etat trayam prayatnena chaturvaram. At least 4 times. 4 times we have to do it. It says Shan Masantaram. And if you practice it 4 times a day for 6 months, what will happen? Mrityum jayati na sanshya. You will be able to. Yes. Etatrayasya mahatmyam siddho janati nitra. Those who have accomplished this, they know only, they praise only. Other no itara, other people cannot understand the value of this. Yad gyatva sadhaka sarve siddhim sabang samyak lavati vai. Vai, whenever, just to padpurnavat nischayena, definitely the sadhaka, it is the practitioners, jad gyatva samyak gyatva siddhim vai lavanti. So they, all kinds of siddhis they may get you. But only sadhaka, other one not. Netara. Gopaniya prayatnena. So it is to be kept secret. Sadhakai siddhim ipsubhi. Those who are interested, ipsubhi, those who are interested, it can be this, so long you are practicing. Ipsubhi, sadhakai gopaniya prayatnena gopaniya. It should be kept secret. Anyatha chana siddhi. Otherwise, if they open this, then there will be no siddhi. There will be no Syan mudranam esha nishya siddhim ipsubhi. Those who are interested to accomplish this one, sadhaki prayatnen gopaniya, they have to keep it secret. Anyatha cha mudranam siddhi. Otherwise, not only of this but mudranam. It is plural, all the mudras. Accomplishment of the all mudras, na syat, esha nishya. Na syat will not happen, and there is no sandeyasya avakasha. Sanskritagyaha upabashanti mam agre. So, at khechari mudra. Now here, before we discuss about this khechari mudra, here it is not mentioned, but this, so long you are not making the tongue longer, Here I would like to tell you about Swami Ramanand ji. Have you heard the name of Swami Ramanand? Swami Ramanand ji was staying in Kaivalya Dham. He was the practitioner of this mudra. He was died in my lap. So, and he was a great yogi, and वो मुझे बहुत प्रेम करते थे. वो मुझे खांसी हो गई तो काढ़ा बना के देना, ये करना वो करना, सब करते थे. वो करते थे. स्वामी जी, this story he has narrated, it is not from my side, but he used to say, Swamiji said, don't practice this, because he was cutting the farinum every day. वो बाल के जैसा रोज काटना पड़ता है. फेरिनम बोले तो वो क्या धागा है ना जीभ के नीचे, व्हाट डू यू कॉल इट, ये जो जीभ के नीचे, व्हाट डू यू कॉल इट, फेरिनम.
No idea.
Yeah, it is farinum. So, but don't do it, please.
No,
Hmm.
they don't like it.
Yes, that is good. And then you have to apply a kind of powder powder, harda powder. Every day you have to cut like a bal ke jitna, then you have to apply this harda. And then you have to milk it in front sometime, right side, left side. Yes. So the tongue will become longer. And at the end क्या जब when I joined this institute in 1985, I saw he was unable to, only few people were understanding him because there is no control. So thereafter whatever he was talking we were understanding because regularly we were staying with him. But you lose this ability to talk properly, you know, speaking.
I know one person.
Yes. Have you heard about Ramanand Swami, who break the chain which elephant cannot break? The 10-ton or this truck, you know, can go upon his this. It was done by him in the Kabale Dham Lonavala. I have seen with my own eyes, these eyes. Not a divine chakshu, this chakshu. Oh, external chakshu I have seen. हाँ. आपने सुना है रामानंद के बारे में कहीं? तो he was the yogi who was doing this, but it is very difficult. He was having this ability. In the conference, you know, he is the person who can break the chain which elephant cannot break with the help of this kumbhaka. And he was also having many kind of abilities. But when he was died in my lab. We were in the government hospital in Lonavala, and I brought his body with one of my friends' tempo, that I remember. हाँ जी, उस समय कुछ मेरे ख्याल कुछ 90 के आसपास होंगे वो, बट उस समय तक वो एकदम से एक्टिव थे वो. हार्ट प्रॉब्लम, वो जो एक्चुअली वो लंग्स में बहुत कैपेसिटी थी उनकी, बट पता नहीं क्या कुछ 2 दिन में ही दर्द ही हुआ उनको. एंड वी टुक हिम टू द हॉस्पिटल एंड 2 days, विदिन 2 days वो परिवार वाले थे, सयादरी करके उनका लड़का वो बाद में आया.
But he is Samari. Because was yogi before.
No, but he was died because of some problem. That's a heart problem.
He's not.
I was there, you know, at the time of his death. I was with him.
He is, but maybe before.
No, because
Samari was spread, you know.
no, the other person also I have discussed with you. I have seen the other person who took his this prana through the Brahmarandra, you know. But this person who was died, he was died only because of the heart. It is a cardiac arrest. Cardiac arrest. But I am visiting Bulgaria regularly, every year, sometime twice, sometime once. There are people who follow the tradition of Lahiri Mahasaya. Are you aware of the Lahiri Mahasaya tradition?
Autobiography of Yogi.
Yeah, that is also the same tradition. So, these people, without cutting the veranum or without doing anything, they are habitual to practice this mudra without any. There is a person who is very expert in mushroom, you know, he has written books also. He is a good friend of mine, he is a Bulgarian person. He practices. I have seen with my own eyes. He practices immediately, he can take the turn the tongue and it can, he put it in the nasopharyngeal cavity immediately, and you can observe it. You can see it with your own eyes.
Really a person reach the highest step doing this.
That he is the practitioner of this tradition, you know. He never attends lecture, he never attends anywhere. He is the practitioner, he practices. He is a very good man. He has reached to certain state, he practices and sits. And while he is sitting, he may sit for 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours. He is having that ability. His wife is Anna. She did course from our institute, master class course.
Yes, I asked you because
And she, lady is of now at this time 64, 65 years old lady. That, and he must be around 80, you know. Around 80 he is practicing. Now here he does not talk about the cutting the pharinum or this or that. He talks directly that bhurvorantargata dishti vidhaya sudranam sudhi upavishyasane vajre nanopudrav varjitah lambikordvam sthite garte rasnam bapritgam sanjojyet priyatnena sudha kupe vichakshana. Sudha kup, there is a bell, you know, kuan. Sudha ka kuan hai kahan? In the nasopharyngeal cavity, you know, there is a kuan. So bhurvorantargata dishti vidhaya sudradam sudhi. Sudhi means those the sadhaka. Bhurvorantargatam dishti, bhurvorantar, bhrumadya dishti. Dishti should be kept at the bhrumadya. Bhrumadya stands for between the eyebrows. Vidhaya sudradam, it should be steady, you know. Upabhishya vajrasana, first you have to sit in vajrasana, he says. Upadrava varjite, there should not be any kind of disturbance. That's why if you are unable to sit continuously in one asana for some time, it means you are not eligible for the further pranayama or further practice, you know. Therefore we have to assess ourselves. If you are able to sit in some asana for a long time, then you must understand that now you are eligible. He says, Upavishya vajrasane nano upadrav varjit, there should not be any kind of disturbance. Then bhruvorantar drishti should be, sit in vajrasana, your drishti should be between the eyebrows. Then lambiko urdhva sthite garte, there is a urdhva gart. Gart means this is a nasopharyngeal cavity. You can see, तो रसनाम विपरीतगम, now you have to upturn, जिब्बा को मोड़ना होगा आपको, ऐसा कर, then you have to put it. संयोजित प्रयत्नेन कंठकूपे. So where you have to, it is said, the Brahmarandra, where this Sudha Koop, there is a well. Always this nectar is oozing from the Chandramandal, from where you have to put this tongue, you know, and you will be able to taste the nectar. चलिए आगे. मुद्रा ऐसा खिचड़ी प्रोक्ता भक्ता नाम अनुरोधता. Only Lord Shiva says it is only because of the Bhakta was very much interested to know about this mudra, and that's why it is being said. Esha Khichri Mudra Bhakta Nama Anurodhata Prokta. It is Kathita only for the sake of. Esha Hi Siddhinam Janani. This becomes the mother of all kinds of siddhis. Mam Pranadika Priya. Lord Shiva says, this is a priya for me. Pranadika. For my pranas also. मेरे प्राणों से भी मुझे ज़्यादा प्रिय है. ऐसा ये मुद्रा. That is what it says.
He addresses in different ways.
निरंतर कृता अभ्यासात पीयूषम प्रत्यहम पिबेत. If you continue, then piyusham, that nectar which is oozing, every day you are. तेन विग्रह सिद्धि स्याद मृत्यु मातंग केसरी. तेन विग्रह सिद्धि, this Body, Vigre stands for the body. Your body becomes Rupa Lavanya, what you call in the Patanjali Yoga Sutra, in the 3rd chapter, this Vigre Siddhi is something like this. Rupa Lavanya हो जाता है, फर्स्ट क्लास चमकने वाली बॉडी. एंड शायद मृत्यु मातंग केसरी. देखिए, नाउ I would like to know from you people whether the elephant kills the lion or lion kills the elephant. Lion kills the. So it becomes Mrityu Matanga Kesari. The person becomes like a Mrityu Matanga Kesari. टाइगर बन जाता है, लायन बन जाता है वो. चलिए, अपवित्रा पवित्रो वा सर्वावस्थां गतो वा. ब्यूटीफुल. खेचरी यस्तु जानाति स शुद्धो न संशय. Whether you are apavitra, whether you have taken bath or not, there is no question at all. Whether apavitra or pavitra, whatever. Sarvavastha, whatever the condition, whatever the situation, sarvavasthaଂ gato piva. Khechari jastu janati, one who knows this khechari mudra, sa shuddho nata sanshaya. So there is no need to take bath or anything else. Just you practice khechari mudra, you will be purified. That is what. Huh?
खाना खाने की जरूरत नहीं.
जो जरूरत नहीं. जरूरत नहीं. आपने सुना है ना, आपके बम्बई ये एक बंदा है जो 70 कितने सालों से खाना नहीं खा रहा है, एंड स्टिल ए लाइव. इसमें टीवी में दिखा रहे थे. आपने देखा नहीं देखा? नहीं देखा. एक है बंदा.
What is difference between mudra and asana?
आसन और मुद्रा में दोनों में फ़र्क है, क्योंकि यहाँ आप सिर्फ शक्ति से काम कर रहे हैं, एनर्जी के साथ काम कर रहे हैं. वहाँ पर आसन में आप शरीर भी इन्वॉल्व है. बाकी मुद्रा में पोस्चर और गेस्चर, क्या फ़र्क है दोनों में? पोस्चर में क्या फ़र्क है? वो गेस्चर जो है वो उस भाव से आप जुड़े हुए हैं. उन्हें जब आप रौद्र रूप दिखाना चाहते हैं तो आपका आंखें बड़ी बड़ी कर लेते हैं. वो गेस्चर जो है वो रौद्रता का है गेस्चर. तो आप उस भाव से जुड़े हुए हैं. यहाँ पर आप शरीर के अंग प्रत्यंग कैसे कैसे हैं उससे आप जुड़े हुए. दोनों में डिफरेंस है. अल्टीमेटली आसन का पर्पस भी आपको मेंटल स्टेट तक ले जाना है. जब पतंजलि के स्थिर सुखम आसनम की बात होगी तो वहाँ तक ले जाना है. लेकिन अल्टीमेटली यही आसन जो है अल्टीमेटली उस गेस्चर में परिवर्तित हो जाएगा. There is a difference. What is the question is? Yeah, his question is, what is the difference between asana and mudra? Is it one and the same?
I think no, but the Vipantakarani is mudra, no?
No.
It's one asana.
When you are doing with asana as a breath karani, at that point of time, your mental state is different. When you are doing Viparit Karani as mudra, your mental state is different.
But it's the same posture.
Posture is same, but purpose is different. So long you are dealing with the body limbs, it is called asana, posture. Not say asana, but posture, because posture cannot convey the proper connotation of asana. So posture is a limited word. Okay, it is a posture. And gesture, when you have to reflect your this angerness, so what do you do? Suppose you have to show the angerness.
It's related with the emotion, no? With the
Emotion. So you are at that, in mudra state, you are associated with the emotions. You are associated with the bhavas. Okay, that is the fundamental difference. That is what he is asking.
But asana also I understood from you is not only physical posture,
So that is what you have to reach to that state.
it's mental posture.
Yes, mental state. So when you reach to this mental state, then you may say it is not asana, it is a state of mind. This asana is a state of mind. So it turns into mudra, you may say. The posture is turned into the gesture. But see, when you are showing something bhava, your body limbs are also showing that. When you have to namarta, humbleness, suppose, your body is also showing humbleness.
The purpose of mudra, what is the purpose of
Just to tackle the energy. That energy, yes. That is the purpose. What is the purpose of asana?
what is the purpose of asana? Sukha.
No. Kuryat tadasanam saryam arogyam changalagvam.
Duality is overcome.
That is the highest state. What Hatha Yoga text they say? This is what? Asnen bhaved dridam. You get strength. Kuryat tadasanam stharyam for stability. Arogyam for health. Angalagvam, lightness in the body. That is the purpose of asana. Asnen bhaved dridam. That is what asnen rujohanti. Through asana, you can overcome certain problems, disease. That is what Goraksh says. What Gheranda Samhita says, asnen dridam bhaved dridam, you get strength through the asanas. But through mudra,
Also you can get energy, no?
no, it has nothing to do with it. Is you are associated with the energy. You are tackling the energy in this state of mind. Kshanardam kurte yastu tiritva pap maharnavam divya bhogan prabhuktva cha satkule sa parjayate. After kshanardam, if you stay ardha kshana, half a kshana, fraction of second, you may say. So then, yatu kshanardam kurute sa pap maharnavam. Maharnavam stands for this sagar, ocean of papa, demerit, ocean of demerit. Tiritva, you are going, what do you call it? Tarna, Tiritva, you are coming out of the Maharanava, okay? Papa Maharanava, demeritorious. Tiritva cha Divya Bhogan. Now all divine experiences, and divine experiences are always giving you ananda. Divine experiences, prabhuktva, prakarshena bhuktva, pra here, visarga, upsarga stands for, how many upsargas are there?
21.
No, yeah, 32. Pro parapsam anu abnis nirdus durbhyangni. How many? 32 pradhyah. 32. Just you count it afterward. Sarva, so it is 32. Not, So, prakarshena. Prakarshena, it's pra shows here the intensity. So it says, prabhuktva satkule prajayate. These experiences are intensified experiences. What kind of experiences? Divine experiences. And then satkule, the person takes birth in a, how the Shankaracharyas took birth? So that kind of birth. And that birth may be the last one. Khecharya mudrya jastu susthita syada tandrita. Atandrita without any laziness. Tandrita means lazy bana. Carelessness. Ya tu khecharya mudrya atandrita susthita syad. Without any laziness, if you stay in this mudra, सतु शत ब्रह्म गते नापी क्षणार्धम मन्यते. ब्रह्मा के 100, फिर से वो आपका ये दिस यू थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर हिम. वो ब्रह्मा के 100 वर्ष उसको क्षण मात्र जैसा लगता है. उसको क्षणार्धम मन्यते, आधा क्षण है वो. 100 वर्ष ब्रह्मा के, उसके लिए क्षणार्ध. तो कितने साल वो जी सकता है आदमी। देखिए आप कैसी प्रशंसा है। चलिए आगे। बट फिर से वही बात है, गुरु उपदेशतो मुद्राम योबेति खेचरी इमाम, मैं ऑल्सो विद फोल्डेड हैंड्स particularly for in front of you. You don't do this because this, okay, Khechari mudra, don't practice it. Means you should practice if you get the proper master. And I am learning from that person, this from Bulgarian person. So if I learn properly from him, then I will teach to you. जी, Romania, Bulgaria, you can go by two ways. You go to Istanbul, टर्की से भी जा सकते हैं। इट इज ए यूरोपियन यूनियन का वन ऑफ द मेंबर है ये। जी हाँ, अभी एप्लीकेबल है, बट if you have to go directly first in the Bulgaria, then you have to take the Bulgarian visa. I was, because मुझे पहले जाना था हंगरी, दिस बल्गेरिया, तो मुझे यहाँ बताया गया कि पहले तुम बल्गेरिया जाने, एंट्री अगर बल्गेरिया की है पहले तो बल्गेरियन वीज़ा लगेगा, और अगर फिर मुझे शेंगन भी लेना पड़ा क्योंकि मुझे हंगरी जाना था, तो मैं वहाँ से, it is 1.5 hours flight from the capital of Bulgaria. You know this capital? नहीं, Sofia. From Sofia to Vienna, it is 1.5 hours. You can go by Russia also. There are two bases. is from Istanbul and Turkey. Even Vienna से भी जा सकते हैं। In Bulgaria, तुर्की में तो बहुत है, क्योंकि it was under the grip of Turkey, you know. It is only they could overcome 1887. वो रिलीज हुआ विद द रशियन हेल्प से, ये स्वतंत्र हुए। नहीं तो हाँ, फ्रॉम टर्की, बट टर्की लोगों का ही, जैसे हमारे ऊपर अंग्रेज़ों का बोलबाला था, ऐसे इनके ऊपर टर्की लोगों का बोलबाला था। तो ये रशियन लोगों के साथ मिल करके इन्होंने ये स्वतंत्र हुए हैं। 1887 की बात ना। और और बल्गेरिया में जैसे पंजाबी लोग होते हैं ना, वो ब्रीड जो है समवेयर अदर, ऐसा मुझे लगता है कि ये पंजाबी टाइप लोग हैं मैक्सिमम। और हर 10 कदम के बाद आपको कीर्तन सुनाई पड़ेगा, हरे रामा हरे कृष्णा, और शंकर भगवान का। नहीं, इस्कॉन का नहीं, इस्कॉन का प्रचार नहीं है ज़्यादा, लेकिन ये इसमें बहुत शंकर जी का तो वो करते हैं। वो कीर्तन होता है, हर घर में कीर्तन हो रहा है, ऐसा समझिए। सभी लोगों की गाड़ियों में, जिस गाड़ी में भी मैं बैठा, जो whosoever is taking me to the place where program is organized, उस गाड़ी में आपको गणपति बप्पा की फोटो जरूर दिखेगी। वो स्टैचू जैसा आगे जैसे हम लोग लगाते हैं ना, ऐसा वाला। नहीं, हिंदू नहीं है वो, लेकिन वो हिंदू धर्म को और इसको हिंदुइज्म को बहुत मानते हैं, बहुत मानते हैं ये लोग, पता नहीं क्या है। सो इट शुड बी प्रैक्टिस्ड ओनली फ्रॉम द गुरु, फ्रॉम द मास्टर। गुरु उपदेशतो।
I want to tell because I know one person who got this, and then this person, the speech is very bad and don't teach nothing.
Yes, So that is what I was talking. But if you cut the venom, you will become speechless. You will not be able to speak properly.
But for that, I don't have a real, if one person put the tongue in this cavity, automatically reach all this, I don't know, because this person do like this and then this common person.
Yeah.
With one friend. It's like this and then this common friend and then put the tongue in this place and the speech is very bad.
Yes, yes. These people, you know, in Bulgaria also, there are people who can put this tongue, and they are common. There is no difference. So therefore, the systematic practice, Guru Upadeshato, therefore Guru Upadeshato Mudram. It is only to be learned from the master. Jo beti, Imam Khecharim beti, but whosoever knows this Khechari Mudra from Guru, from master. Nana paparato dhiman sajati paramam gati. Even though you are doing so many demeritorious act, you know, in spite of that, you will be liberated. You are doing so many wrong things. You know, Nana paparato. Nana paparato means you are committing wrong act. So paramam gatim, sajati paramam gatim. Paramam gatim. What is Paramam Gati? Highest what? That is liberation. Yes. So now you don't ask now henceforth about Paramagati. सा प्राण सदृशी मुद्रा यस्मै कस्मिन् दीयते. प्राण सदृशी. We cannot stay without pran, isn't it? So what is the value of pran for us? That value we have to understand with this mudra. Prachadyate prayatnen mudrayam surpujitam. Even though the devata surpujita, the devata also adore. They have adored this mudra. Mudrayam prayatnen prachadyate. Therefore prachadyate, again it should be kept secret. Now coming to the Jalandhar Bandha. So Badhva Gal Shira Jalam Hriday Chibukum Nesit. Shira. This part is also called, what do you call it, this part in Sanskrit? Jalandhar. Okay? Because Gal Shira Jalam, Gal Shira Jalam, all this part. So Badhva, how you have to lock this? With the help of, take your chibuk, Hridaya means here is the Kanthkup. Bandho Jalandhara Prokta Deva Nama. This is very difficult for even the gods. So this is called Jalandhar Bandha. We have already discussed about this. Purpose is that you are not allowing the pran to move upward. Once again, the same. Whenever you are performing, putting this chin in the jugular notch, you are locking the upper doors. How many doors are there? All doors. So, this tendency of the pran that flows upward, you are trying to make it downward with the help of this. So that, and with the help of this Mool Bandha, you are raising the apan upward. So that this both can meet together at the Saman place, at the Nabi place. Okay, that is the purpose behind. So bandhas are, so this is also bandh, this is also mudra. This is also lock, also called mudra. Because you, with the help of this, you are tackling the energy here, and therefore it is called mudra. Okay? Nabistha Bannir Jantunam Sahasra Kamala Yutam Pibet Piyusham Vistaram Tadartham Bandiyat Idam. Why you have to practice this bandha? For the sake of Piyush. Piyush means the nectar. See, at the navel region, other texts also say like this. This sun is present here. Who consumes this nectar? Okay, that is what it says. Navistham banni, navistha banni, navistha, jatra agni, gastric fire. You may call it gastric fire, you may call it Vaishvanar Agni, you may call it, okay, whatever. Vanni means the fire. So, Jantunam Sahasra Kamala Yutam, Sahasra Kamal. Where is the Sahasra Kamal? Where is the Sahasra Kamal? Sahasra Kamal, Sahasrara, Sahasra Kamal. Namaste. So, after coming back, we'll discuss.